there's light in my heart, helps me find my way back when I've gone too far. When all my anger makes me blind, I remember your mercy for all mankind. The reason I forgive as long as I live in a world spinning out of control. The reason I love, I'll never give up, and I will always follow your way, your way, your way. Oh, alayka sallallahu, oh Muhammad, peace and blessings on you every day. Alayka sallallahu.